What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making butternut squash soup. Creamy, delicious. I like to take my grilled cheese sandwich and dunk it and give it a little drizzle. So let's go ahead and get started. So first you want to take 2 green Granny Smith apples, and then you'll need to get those peeled and cored. You want to take a 2-pound butternut squash. Go ahead and cut off both ends and then peel the squash. Then slice it in half, and then you'll have to slice it again, and then remove the seeds and the inside flesh. And then slice that squash up into larger chunks. You can make them 2 to 3 inches each. And turn your Instant Pot on the saute function and add 1 teaspoon of olive oil along with 1/2 cup of chopped onions. I used white onions. And then take 3 to 4 minced garlic cloves. Go ahead and give that a nice mix and add your cut butternut squash to the pot along with your sliced apples and 3 cups of broth. And then 13.5 ounces of coconut milk. I used full fat. And then 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of curry, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Go ahead and give that a good stir. And then pressure cook that for 15 minutes. And when that is finished, you will quick release the steam and use a hand blender to puree. You want to be careful here not to burn yourself. You can wait until the soup cools if you wish. And you want to blend that until it's nice and creamy. And there you have it, butternut squash soup.